Most people think starting a sublimation business costs thousands, but that's completely wrong. Some of the most profitable sublimation products cost less than $1 to make. And today, I'm going to show you cheap sublimation ideas you can start making and selling right now, even if you're starting with almost no money. Here's why most side hustles fail. People spend too much money up front. They buy expensive machines, huge amounts of inventory, complex equipment, and products nobody actually wants. Then reality hits. No sales, no momentum, and eventually, they quit. But sublimation is different because you can start small, very small. You can take cheap blank products, add custom designs, and instantly create something people are willing to pay more for. That's the power of personalization. Most people only think about mugs and t-shirts, but sublimation goes way beyond that. You can create custom keychains, mouse pads, car coasters, tumblers, tote bags, notebook covers, pet tags, phone grips, holiday ornaments. And the crazy part is, many of these products are incredibly cheap to produce, but they feel premium once customized, which means higher profit margins, even for beginners. Now, here's something most beginners never learn. Traditional sublimation only works on polyester or polymer-coated surfaces, which sounds limiting. But there's a workaround. And this changes everything. Using sublimation coating sprays and laminates, you can make materials like wood, cotton, glass, cardboard, and other surfaces sublimation ready. That opens the door to hundreds of cheap product ideas, especially dollar store products. You can buy inexpensive items locally, customize them, and resell them online for 5 to 10 times the original